Watchcheck calculates how much time a watch is losing or gaining. This time difference is the deviation. Demo with Watchcheck version 241. Smartphone Wicopulp Fab 4. Watch Invicta ProDiver 1994. After installing Watchcheck on your smartphone, launch your new app. Slide your finger from left to right to open the menu. Select your watch. Add a new record for your watch. Click on Add Watch to create a new record. Enter the name of your watch in the field model, for example Invicta. Then click on Save to store your new record. A new record has been created, but there is no data yet. Hit the button plus below on the right side of the screen to take your first measurement. Beware, an internet connection or activated GPS is essential to use Watchcheck. Without an internet connection, activate your GPS to display the exact time shown in the field GPS. Above on the left side, if internet is on, the field NTP will display the exact time. Right now, NTP displays 20:42:14. Set the exact time on your watch to the second by using NTP or GPS. Take your first measurement if your watch is on time. This first measurement will indicate to Watchcheck the time of your watch. This way, Watchcheck will get a reference point to calculate the deviation of your watch. Here's procedure. Let's say it is 20:44:51. In a few seconds, it will be 20:45. Since you're going to synchronize your watch, set 20:45 in time of your watch as shown on the screen. When your watch shows exactly 20:45 a second hand on 00, hit at once the green button at the bottom of the screen. Do it as quickly as possible to obtain a precise synchronization. Watchcheck is now synchronized with the time of your watch. At the top left, new period is selected by default because you're starting a new series of measurements. You can enter the position of your watch in Position. Watchcheck displays by default warm. You can also enter the temperature. Save your measurement by hitting the Save button at the right side below. Here it is, your first measurement is saved. Wait at least 2 hours before making a second measurement. Afterwards, we will study the results. 2 hours has elapsed. Hit the button plus below at the right side to take the second measurement. Set in time of your watch the time you choose to synchronize your watch as in the first measurement. It will soon be 22:48. We set this time in time of your watch. Hit the green button when it is exactly 22:48 second hand on 00. Once the measurement is taken, don't forget to save it. Let's study the results chart. Our two measurements are in the first two rows on top of the screen. In the column deviation of the second row. The deviation indicated is minus 2.1 second. The sign minus indicates a delay in relation to the exact time, and this delay is 2.1 seconds. Watchcheck indicates that your watch has lost 2.1 seconds between your two measurements. The column rate evaluates the deviation of your watch in a 24-hour period. The rate column indicates minus 19.5 seconds per day. Watchcheck evaluates that your watch is losing 19.1 seconds per day. At the bottom, Watchcheck indicates the average rate. It is the average of all evaluations of the rate column. Average rate gives its full meaning only if you have taken many measurements over a period of several days. This average rate reveals the tendency of your watch. Therefore, this value is the most interesting. Maybe you will notice that the deviation of your watch is not constant. Various causes are responsible for the fluctuations of the deviation of your watch, its mechanism, its position, temperature. Let's take a third measurement, 15 hours later. This time, Watchcheck evaluates that your watch is losing 1.4 seconds per day. At the bottom, the average rate indicates that your watch is losing 3.4 seconds per day. It means that your watch is losing less than 2 minutes per month. You will correct the time of your watch according to the obtained results. After correcting the deviation of your watch, start a new series of measurements to check its accuracy. I hope this guide will help you to use Watchcheck and improve the accuracy of your watch. Bye-bye.